welcome back to my channel. As you can see down in the title, I will be showing you guys how to make my shrimp stir fry. It's so good. I will leave the directions, ingredients down below. Do not forget to check that out if you want to see what is inside the shrimp stir fry. I will also be telling you throughout the video as I cook it, but if you need to go back as reference, go ahead and check that description box. Anyways, let's get straight into this video. Okay guys, so these are the ingredients that I will be using. Go ahead and check the description box for cook time and the exact measurements. Okay guys, so you're gonna start off with a clean pot. You're gonna put some MCT oil in the pan, and I'm gonna just throw the green peppers into that pan as well. And I'm not gonna really cook them out. You'll see what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna cook them down a little bit. And while that is still going, I'm going to add some seasoning. So chili flakes, salt, paprika, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, After mixing in the seasonings, I'm just gonna add some shrimps. These are pre-cooked, so you don't have to cook them long, just maybe 5 minutes. As you guys can see, there's a lot of water in there, so I'm just gonna turn up the stove, then I'm gonna cook it down, and you will see right there that there's not much of the water left. So that's how you want it to turn out. Give it a little stir again. Then I'm going to be adding the same seasonings over just to give it more flavor. I want to make sure this is the most flavorful part, because when I add the other things, it will be a little bit bland if I don't do this again. Then I added some soy sauce, gave it another stir. Now you can go ahead and add the cauliflower rice. Like I said before, these are pre-cooked, so literally just cook it for 5 minutes tops. There, I'm just breaking it up. You don't have to cook it for too long. Just make sure everything's combined well. As you guys can see, I kept adjusting the stove just because I'm at my mom's, so I did not know how that was going to turn out. And that is how it looks, all combined. The rice did not take long to cook down. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add some soy sauce. They say the soy sauce is okay for the ketogenic diet. I honestly don't know. Let me know down in the comments if you guys do know. So then I'm just stirring it up again, making sure it is all combined together. Lastly, just add your broccoli. Again, this does not take long. It is literally pre-cooked things, so you just want to give it a stir, make sure there's no water left over, and this is how it's gonna look when it's plated. Yummy, right? So, how'd you guys like that recipe? Anyways, I am super full. I literally ate a plate of that, and I have some left over as well for the next day, so it makes quite a bit, which is good. As you can see in the beginning of the video, I had 2 packs of cauliflower rice out. I only used 1 because that was a lot more than I thought. But anyways, it serves for more than 1 night. So it's quite a huge serving. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Go ahead and check out the description box as well. You can find other recipes of mine in there. And also, don't forget to share this recipe with your friends. Go ahead and try the recipe as well for yourself. I'm sure you're gonna like it. Anyways, I will see you guys soon with a new video. Bye guys.